today's video that was requested by one of my pretty gang babies, of course. I'm gonna put your comment right here. Thank you so much for requesting this, because it's because of my pretty gang babies like you that keeps my videos rolling. You know what I'm saying? You genuinely want to see me create content, so you give me suggestions. And that's all I ask my pretty gang babies. Comment down below what you guys want to see. So today's video, what my pretty gang baby requested is that I do how I maintain my hair throughout quarantine. So pretty much I'm gonna be showing y'all what I do to my hair, what, you know, consists of how I get my hair to look like this, and what I do, and all that jibber jabber. I don't really do much, I ain't gonna lie. Since I'm sitting in the house, 9 out of 10, my hair gonna look like a mess, like how you about to see in a few seconds. So, first things first, if you are subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below to become part of the pretty gang, and then hit that bell button right next to it, so every time I post, you are notified. And comment down below what you guys wanna see next. So, without further ado, let's just get into this video. As you can see, this is how I'm looking. Okay, I don't really do much to my hair, but I will show you like what products I put in. So I'm gonna show you what I do to maintain it, you know, keep my curls fresh and moisturized, which isn't much. So as you can see, yesterday I co-washed my hair, which co-washing is pretty much taking conditioner and wetting your hair and just washing your hair with the conditioner, and that's pretty much what it is. So this is my hair after I co-washed it. I did that, I put it in 2 braids because I didn't know what to do. My hair was so tangled the other day. So I'm taking it down right now. It's kind of still wet. My hair, I don't know about everybody else, but my hair takes forever to dry. It could be because I got a little porosity here. No, I don't know. Taking the braids down. I mean, you could rock this. You could rock this. I'm gonna show you how to rock this. So because I don't want to mess these curls up that I got right here, I'm going to show you guys the products that I do put in my hair to freshen my hair up, moisturize my hair. So for the co-wash, I use the big, I'm going to put a picture right here, a big bottle of Aussie Moist. That's what I co-wash with all the time. Has my hair smelling bomb. A lot of people ask, how do I get my hair to smell good? What you want to do is use a really strong smelling conditioner. You want to make sure your hair has been shampooed really thoroughly, and then make sure you use a really strong conditioner. It's the way, and that is the key to making sure your hair smells bomb, okay? Use anything but this is just a bottle of water in it. Right, this is you can call it a leave-in conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner I made. So it's water and the Aussie Moist conditioner here. Leave-in conditioner that I got from the dollar store. Now let me tell you something. This right here, clutch, because it like just, oh my gosh, it just makes my curls pop, and it makes and this right here, you want your hair to smell good, this smell, oh, I kid you not. Go to the dollar store. If your Dollar Tree has this, not all of them have it, but if your Dollar Tree has it, pick this up. Smell it, give it a whiff. This stuff smells exactly like Bath and Body Works lotion. I kid you not, it doesn't even smell like a hair product. Your hair gonna smell so good. People gonna be like, girl, what that is you got on, what that is. Walk you through the steps of what I did yesterday. I should have filmed it, but so what I did yesterday was co-wash my hair. You get out, after you rinse all the conditioner out that you just co-wash your hair with, you get out and you take your DIY leave-in conditioner that you done made. This is what I done made. And then you spray that in your hair, detangle your hair. You take this, the actual leave-in conditioner, and put that through your hair. This is the only product that I need, and they be having my hair looking good. Just, you know what I'm saying, look. Just, you know what I'm saying, look. It's great, right? My hair isn't dry all the way, so I'm not gonna do too much touching it, because, you know, you just see me on camera take it down, so that's a bonus. I guess your girl could do her edges on camera for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is just move my hair back out of my face. So here, I got a vessel, so I'm just putting that on there. Do like this. It look a hot mess right now, I know. But take the comb, swoop. Okay. And then I'm gonna do a little, get this toothbrush, go over this one. Oh, wait a minute. hope the girl who requested this video, girl, I'm sorry if it's not the best in the world. So just swooping my little sideburns that I barely got any of, and just pushing this back with yourself. I kind of want to do another video about advice, but like on relationships, because I kind of know about relationships, but I don't know exactly what to say about relationships, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna push this one back. This got to be glue stuff is kind of messy, so bear with me. So just put some on here. Let me do some right quick. Hopefully y'all can see that. Thing. Okay, that side was actually a lot easier for some reason. But okay, so that's pretty much it. Now, as far as that goes, now I know my hair is still wet. Like I said, I don't want to touch it that much. So since it's wet, but because for the sake of this video, I am supposed to be showing you how to look bomb, you know what I'm saying, on this quarantine that we're in. Hopefully we're gonna be out. But one thing I like to do, and this is my trick, this is my favorite trick, I don't know if everybody does this, but when I take my braids down, or whenever you're doing like a curly hair routine or a twist out or a braid out, whatever, you want to flip your head over and put your fingers, let me show y'all, just like this. You see that weird part? Watch what I'm finna do. Okay, so you want to flip your head over and put your fingers, your tips of your fingers, or the balls of your fingers, whatever you want to say, and just go in there and just shake your roots up. It gives us lots of volume, definition. You see how that part just left? Your girl knows what she's talking about. So go on this side, give it a nice good shake. Not too wild, because you know my hair's still wet. Now if you like me, okay, see the difference already? Now if you like me, you don't mind a little bit of frizz, so yeah. What I do, I think I'm gonna leave this piece behind my ear. I think that's cute. We looking good, we looking great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped, cause you guys wanted it. Your girl got you, okay? So I'm gonna try to do everything you guys request, but in order for me to do that, I do need you guys to actually like comment down below and request videos. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Make sure you subscribe. Tell all your people about me. And until next time.